Today I will show how to create a local or how to run a local server. Local server like if you have a file with the name of JSON, then you can run as a locally. So first you will open terminal and then installed by npm npm install and then JSON server -g. -g here refers to globally, means it installed through entire workspace. This gave me error code access. I think it's a path denied because I'm not accessed through root. So if you want to access by root, then simply you give sudo. For Ubuntu and Mac, there is a same way to install sudo npm install JSON server and -g. Then give your password, system password, and after that your file is installed. npm. After installing, like this file I have created with the name of data.json, and in data.json file I have some values. I have some data in the form of JSON. And how you will run, then simply write JSON server, but first you will go this directory, then there open your terminal and type this command json-server space, then file name space dash dash watch space dash dash port number. And now you see that this is the URL. First one is localhost 5000 and second one is the users where or users list are displayed. But I think there is some problem. Maybe sometime your port number is already taken, so maybe sometime it gives me some errors or not run. So to overcome this problem, you can run on another port. I think this is the issue. Maybe this port number is already taken by the others, so it may cause the error. So I will now run on another port. If I run on port number 8080, now it's run. If I see on URL, yes, now it's run. And if here is the list of all the URLs like users. Here you can see my list of all users.